Hello, it's Simon Sutton George from Tenerife Property Group, and today we're in Golf del Sur. We're in a little area called San Blas, and today we're going to show you a one-bedroom apartment in the complex called Sand Club. So let's have a look around. So as we're coming through the main door here, on the left-hand side we've got a really nice modern bathroom, shower with a glass. There's a toilet, and we've got a slim washing machine. Now the whole apartment has been totally refurbished. Everything, the flooring, the kitchen you can see here on the left hand side, everything is new. Probably, I was trying to work it out, probably less than a year old. Lovely lounge here with those doors that lead straight out into a garden, which is really nice to have. And we've got a double bedroom here with a bit of a surprise, because just here, I would imagine that used to be a doorway here, and they've turned it into kind of a third bed here. So we've got a bedroom with fitted wardrobes, loads of fitted wardrobes there. Now everything has been replaced, even these doors here, the bedroom door, that's been replaced. All this furniture's new. And those two are sofa beds. So we've got two sofa beds there, two beds in the main bedroom, which are singles, and another single in that alcove there. So coming out here onto the terrace, they've put this lovely grass area here. There's plenty of space and it's really nice and sunny as well. And there's a table and chairs and there's a sofa. So that's our one-bedroom apartment on Sand Club in Golf del Sur. If you want more information about it, then go to tenerifepropertygroup.com, or you can email me at simonsg@tenerifepropertygroup.com. So that's me, Simon Sutton George at Tenerife Property Group. Thanks very much for watching. Bye for now.